Prepare for the Certified Management Accountant (CMA) exam with the CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2025, featuring a comprehensive suite of study materials at a 45% discount. Designed for candidates aiming to achieve CMA certification through the Institute of Management Accountants (IMA), this all-in-one package is your key to exam success. What's inside the CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2025? CMA Part 1 Study Guide 2025 and CMA Part 1 Exam Questions 2025, CMA Part 2 Study Guide 2025, and CMA Part 2 Exam Questions 2025. With 1,664 study points delivered through a questioning mind approach, 1,821 true-false questions, 75 essay questions, and 4,636 multiple-choice questions with detailed explanations. This set is meticulously crafted to cover every aspect of the CMA exam. Study smart and efficiently. Dedicate at least 3 hours daily and 6 hours on weekends for 6 months to maximize your exam preparation. Our CMA Study Guide provides a complete and detailed review, ensuring a thorough understanding of the entire CMA course content. Master CMA exam tips and tricks with our specialized guide designed to enhance your exam strategy and boost your confidence. Focused exam preparation. Our CMA exam questions include high IQ level questions that replicate the exam environment, helping you to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Enjoy a unique learning experience with questions and answers presented on separate pages, allowing for a concentrated focus on the problem at hand. Flexible and accessible learning. Access the CMA Exam Review Course 2025 anytime, anywhere, with no time or device restriction. Our materials are optimized for all screen sizes, ensuring you can study on your terms. Download integrated printable PDFs of the study guide and exam questions for ease of use. Enhance your learning with CMA videos. Check out Zain Academy's YouTube channel for CMA learning videos that boost knowledge retention and recall by up to 25%. Save money on premium video subscriptions and classes while enriching your study experience. Support at every step. Benefit from personal support and guidance through WhatsApp or email. Our dedicated CMA exam mentor will assist you until you pass the exam and achieve your CMA certification. Ideal for professionals and aspiring entrepreneurs. Perfect for those in management, accounting, industry, compliance reporting, and aspiring entrepreneurs looking to deepen their knowledge and skills in public and management accounting. Don't just aim to pass the exam, aim to excel. With the CMA Exam Review Complete Set 2025, transform your career, enhance your professional well-being, and achieve your CMA certification in just 6 months. Create a lasting impact with Zain Academy's top-rated CMA study materials. Get started today and take the first step towards CMA certification with confidence and excellence.